working in Liquid Propulsion System Center at Bangalore, ISRO office. I'm working on sensors for satellite and launch vehicle applications. And today we are very happy and excited that PM is visiting us and congratulating everybody personally.
I'm really proud to be a part of the propulsion team and above and all ISRO team. And we have taken the Chandrayaan propulsion module and the lander to the orbit itself. What I feel is we are really excited and we are really happy with the way he encouraged us.
हमारे यहाँ कहा गया है सृष्टि स्थिति विनाशाना शक्ति भूते सनातनी, अर्थात निर्माण से प्रलय तक पूरी सृष्टि का आधार नारी शक्ति ही है। आप सबने देखा है चंद्रयान 3 में देश ने, हमारी महिला वैज्ञानिकों ने, देश की नारी शक्ति ने कितनी बड़ी भूमिका निभाई है।